Díomh agus fáilte a chuirde. Hello and welcome. Welcome to Amhrán na Seachtaine, Song of the Week. Each week on my blog I pick a song and share the lyrics along with a translation and several different versions of the song by different artists. This is a pronunciation guide for you if you would like to learn the song and sing it in Irish. Just a quick note on pronunciation before we get started. There are three main dialects or canúns of Irish: Munster, Ulster and Connacht. My main influences are Munster and Connacht, so while I won't speak with a really strong accent, I will definitely veer towards those pronunciations. The main differences in the dialects are some difference in how they pronounce the sounds and the emphasis on the syllabus. So as we get started, listen to and repeat each verse and chorus several times, or as many times as you need to get the pronunciation down. So this week's song is Bog Braon Don tSeanduine.
Bog Braon, Bog Braon. Bog Braon Don tSeanduine. Bog Braon splash féin. Bog Braon Don tSeanduine. An curfá. Chuir a cholla, chuir a cholla. Chuir a cholla an tSeanduine. Chuir a cholla sní a chosa. Bog Braon Don tSeanduine. Ibh circe, ibh circe. Ibh circe Don tSeanduine. Ibh circe splúirín ime. Sé a thuairt Don tSeanduine. Fiol úr, fiol úr. Fiol úr Don tSeanduine. Fiol úr sprain soup. Sé a thuairt Don tSeanduine.
Take it easy, simply tSeanduine.com/blog, and you will find some links to videos of different versions of the songs, or you can do a search on YouTube, Spotify, Amazon Music, etc. A PDF with the lyrics and translation along with the melody and an MP3 of the pronunciation guide are available on my website, simply tSeanduine.com. Tá seanliste an freisin de Amhrán na Seachtaine ar YouTube. There's also a playlist of the songs of the week available on YouTube. I'll put the link in the description box below.